Today we're going to cover quarter windows. This one in particular is a matrixed quarter. Wipe your glass down. We're going to come over here, we're going to cut our film for our quarter glass. So you're going to wet your outside of your glass, and with quarter windows, the reason I like cutting my film off my film handler is so that I guarantee I have a straight edge, and I always try to eliminate one edge of the quarter glass, so that's one less cut that I have to make. So I lay my film in place, and I use the biggest straight edge right there. And when you're doing quarter glasses that are matrixed like this, you're not trying to tint the entire whole glass, you're just running just past the edge of these dots. So you want to set your film up into place, lock it down, and if you're working by yourself, it's great to have a light that you can reach in, you can hold so that you can see to cut. If you're working with someone else and they want to sit in there with a light and hold it for you and move it for you, that's great too. And you're going to come through and you want a lot of blade out. You never want to cut with the tip. I see a lot of people in classes, they want to cut and hold it like a pencil. You're not trying to cut with the tip because you will dull your blade and you will scratch glass. So you want blade out so that you can lay the blade down as flat as possible as you're cutting. There's your quarter glass cut. So now you're going to hop on the inside and you're going to get ready to install your quarter window. Same cleaning process as you did on your door glasses. The only difference is this window does not roll up and down. Spray it, wipe your plastics down, and this is where wiping all your plastics down really becomes important, because a lot of vehicles, you're going to have computers and things in the trunk and in the cargo area on these side panels. You do not want a ton of water running down the edges because you can destroy some computers and amplifiers, things like that in vehicles. Electronics and water do not mix well together. So when you're cleaning your quarter window, if it's a matrix quarter like this, where it has the dots, this is a ceramic that is embedded in the glass when they make the glass. It is going to dull your blade very badly. So always clean your clear glass area first before you come back through and clean your edge. You hear that? That is dulling this blade, so you always want to make sure you take that blade and throw it away when you're done cleaning a quarter glass. Razor blades are always cheaper than glass, so do not reuse a blade once you have cleaned matrix with it. So now you're getting ready to peel your liner and install your film. Usually on quarter glasses like this, I will not wet the glass. Again, it comes back into electronics in play and things like that. So I will peel the liner and only spray the film and set it up into place. And look all the way around, make sure you don't have a light gap. And a lot of quarter windows, it's very hard to get a handled squeegee in. You can use PPF squeegee like this, something that's going to give you good leverage to get a lot of water out. Quarter windows, you never really have to shrink them because they are flat enough that you can just squeegee everything out and there's no curvature in the glass. Come back through, wipe everything down, and there you go.